I'm Stefan Frick. I'm Energy Integration Engineer and demo driver this morning. So we'll start off with our stealth mode feature here. The secret handshake by twisting the mode knob here. Lets you select stealth mode, press the start button like you normally would. And now we're in full EV mode. And this will support fully electric driving up to 45 miles an hour. This is kind of that sneak out of the neighborhood in the morning without annoying the neighbors. You can see in our unique gauge cluster for the stealth mode, a little bit simplified compared to what you're used to, but SOC gauge down there, speedometer, and then this needle is showing you when the flying start's initiated. Engine automatically starts, engages the transmission, and transitions to conventional V8 and electrified propulsion.
Right. Which brings us to the most important thing, launch mode.
Of course. So a little bit cold and damp on this January day in Michigan, but you get a feel for how the all-wheel drive system really helps it dig out of the hole. You ready?
Ready. We just brushed past 100 there, didn't we?
Sure did.
Oh, man.
Do it again in the other direction.
Hell yeah. Ready.
So you can see on the gauge display here, as soon as you let off the throttle and start slowing down, it's immediately using the front axle to regen, help recover some of that spent SOC from doing a couple 0 to 100 runs.
Yeah, you really hear the engine through that back window.
Yeah.
I like that.
So I've turned off traction control and stability control. It'll let us have a little fun on the autocross course. But the all-wheel drive system is still fully active, and you'll see how that, especially in these kind of conditions, really help keep the car composed and capable.
Here we go.
Slow, tight ones, or just digs you out of it.
Man, it is amazing how it gets up and goes.